Welcome to this tutorial. How to fix the volume on your computer in Windows. There may be many reasons for the volume issues. In this video, we will learn to fix the volume issues on Windows PC. Let's see the easy steps to fix the volume on your computer in Windows. Click the Windows search bar at the bottom left. Type Control Panel in the search bar. Click on the Control Panel app from the search list. In the Control Panel window, click Hardware and Sound option. Under the Sound section, click on the Adjust System Volume. If you see that the volume slider of the speaker is down, then click and drag the slider to increase the volume. Also, check if the speaker icon below the volume slider is unmuted. If it is on mute mode, then click on the speaker icon to unmute it. Close the volume mixer window. Click on the Sound option and select the speakers in the Sound window. Click on the Properties button. Click on the Enhancements tab. Deselect the checkbox of Disable All Sound Effects and also deselect the other effect from the list. Click on Apply button. Now, click on the Advanced tab in the Speaker's Properties window. Select an audio format from the drop-down list and click on the OK button. Click on the OK button again and close the Control Panel window. Click the Start Windows icon and then click on the Settings. Click on the System Options. Click on the Sound menu from the left side. Click on the Device Properties link on the right side. Make sure that the checkbox Disabled is unchecked. Close the Settings window. If you didn't find the sound icon on the taskbar, then click on the Start Windows icon and click on the Settings. Click on the Personalization option. Click on the taskbar menu from the left side. Scroll down the right panel of taskbar and click on the Turn System icons on or off. Click on the toggle button of volume to turn it on. You will find the sound icon in your taskbar. Close the Settings window. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day. Please subscribe to our channel.